morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So, I am Janraizan Didi Matera, and I will be discussing blog writing. So, what is blog? As you can see in here, in this picture, you're going to see what consists and what is a blog. This is in this picture, you can see the blog post itself. So, now we are going to define what is blog. So, a blog or a weblog is a journal that is frequently updated and intended for general public consumption. So, what does a blog consist of? A title, body, and permalink, and the post date. Ano? So, the title, the main title or heading of the post, body, main content of the post, and permalink, the URL of full individual article. So, post date, timer, date, and the post was published. So, blog entry optional includes the following. This is the comments of the blogs, categories or tags, subject that entry discusses, and trackback and or pingback. This is the links to other sites that refer to the entry. So, blog writing. So before we begin blog writing, this is the considered following points. So, blog should contain ideas, organization, voice, word choice, sentence fluency, and presentation. Okay, so let's move to the six key components of writing, uh, blog writing. Okay, so ideas. This is the message of the blog. This is the key message of the blog, and then next is the organization. So, if here in organization, we can see that organization is the logical arrangement of these ideas. So the post is easy to follow. Then the next is voice. So voice is the tone or personality of the writer. So the writer that makes the blog engaging and relatable to the target audience. Ano? So word choice involves selecting precise words and meaningful words that effectively communicate the messages. So we have to be respectful in our audiences. So sentence fluency, this ensures the writing flows smoothly and is pleasant to read. So lastly is the presentation. So this refers to the visual of the blog, visual appeal of the blog. So this is how to lay out, spacing, and formatting that attracts the readers. Okay, so next. Okay, next. So here is the blog writing example. So the title is Anyone Can Become a Writer. So here in this blog, um, dito pinapakita yung uh, this example is the provide a presentation of featuring the Become a Writer Today by Brian Collins. Ano, so this blog highlighted because it effectively serves the needs of writers by providing on writing, creativity, and self-publishing. So this example shows uh, how, how to become or how blogs can become platforms for learning and inspiration. So this supported by writing, strong ideas, and consistent updates. So this very example have the have the power to attract the readers. Doon pa lang sa pinakang first part niya, pinakang title niya pa lang, Become a Reader Today. Or, I mean, a writer today. So, next here is the references that I've used to get all this information. And that's all. Thank you.